Good morning, my sweet angels. Do you like that angle? I'm doing what I eat in a day video today. I haven't done one of these for a minute, but I love making them. So I have some really fun recipes planned, especially for tonight. As always, I don't eat this way every day, I don't cook this way every day, but I wanted to show you like some good food I've been making. But yeah, I'm gonna make a little coffee and subscribe if you haven't yet. I would literally love to have you. Okay. Okay, I ate breakfast, was so good, got ready for the day. It's a little bit later. Thought I'd pop in here to tell you about today's sponsor, which is Ritual. I'm so happy to be working with them again. They're my fave multivite featuring 9 nutrients most likely to be missing from your diet. They started out with their essential for women vitamin, but they also have men's 50 plus for teens and also prenatal and postnatal. But like I said, they focus on what's most likely to actually be missing from your diet. So I'm into the idea of not over supplementing. So they have iron, B12, omega-3s, D3, just to name a few. And they come in these little anti-nausea capsules that taste like mint. Therefore, you can take them on an empty stomach, which is my favorite thing, that they don't make you nauseous. They're vegan, sugar-free, gluten-free, allergen-free, and they come in 100% recycled materials, so that's great on their packaging end. They also have a huge emphasis on transparency, so if you want to know where any of their ingredients are sourced from, you can just look on their website. And it's a monthly subscription, so it breaks down to be $1 a day, which is a great way to just take care of yourself in a small way. So if you want to check them out, you can get 10% off on your first 3 months actually if you use my code PENWHERE and click the link in the description box. And I am just gonna make a little lunch. Freaking good. Look at this big, delicious salad, homemade dressing, little pan-fried tempeh, carrots, radish, apples. So good. This tempeh, this marinade. You guys should try that, if anything. That was so easy and it's so good. Look at this masterclass. It's all on making bread. This definitely relates to what I eat in a day. I was always like a little bit intimidated by the sourdough starter, and they have a whole episode on the sourdough starter, so I'm really excited to listen to this masterclass. All right, guys, showered, worked out. The sun's going down. As soon as the sun goes down, it's time to make dinner because I don't know what else to do with myself. On Instagram today, I wanted to make like a nice little bitchy dinner, you guys, and also try something new because one of my goals this year and every year is to cook with more intention, like make fun things. If I'm gonna be cooking, it might as well be something new and delicious that maybe I haven't tried before. This is something I've definitely tried before and made before. I'm gonna make risotto with roasted tomatoes and a marsala mushroom creamy sauce on top of the risotto. I think it's gonna be really good, and some broccoli on the side. Risotto can be a little tricky. There's also some debate on the consistency of what risotto should be. I've heard from the real Italians that it's supposed to be soupy. Cook it down, it takes a long time, so we're gonna use a lot of stock. And I'm just gonna roast the tomatoes in the oven. And then on the side, I'm gonna cook down mushrooms with a vegan marsala, which is a cooking wine, and then add a nice like cashew cream sauce on top, put it all together, cook up the broccoli with just some garlic, probably in the oven with the tomatoes. So it should be pretty simple. Something I always keep on hand is like a veggie stock concentrate, because buying stock at the store is expensive, then you buy all the packaging with it, but this is just like a glass jar. You add like a tablespoon per few cups or something, and that way you always have veggie stock when you need it for recipes. Okay guys, not like me in these videos, but I really just went in. It's not as complicated as it looks. If you're gonna make this at home, just follow the directions on the back of the arborio rice. First step. It takes a while, so you have to be patient. You add the hot liquid cup by cup as the rice cooks. Pretty simple. That's what mine looks like, and it is soft and delicious. Secondly, we have the mushrooms. This is maybe the harder part. Chop mushrooms, put pan in with butter, and then once the mushrooms are cooked down, add Marsala wine. You can get this at the grocery store. And you want to let that reduce until it's mostly reduced, not all the way, not au sec, but a little bit left in there, but put a lot in, let it reduce down. Then you're gonna add veggie stock on top, let that reduce down. And then, like you saw, once it was all kind of down, I added a cashew milk to make it creamy. Otherwise, with the tomatoes and the broccoli rabe, you literally just put those in the oven while everything else is going. Yeah, I used to make this a lot when I worked in a kitchen, but yeah, I'm excited to eat it. I really went full on to the nines for din.